Hello, beautiful people. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to the man that saw me along Aba Port Harcourt Road today and just flagged me down and decided to hand me this $100 bill. I really thank you. I know you're watching this particular video right now, and I say thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. I see Ndi Igbo na here I gave me, and he specifically thanked me, Chukwuemeka, for the good work that we've been doing on in Igbo Nation, the unification project and everything. And I say that may God bless you wherever you are. May God bless you for this cash gift. I never expected it. It came all of a sudden, but I thank you. So now, man, you could encourage you because Bali name.